Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to eject water from your Apple Watch speakers using water lock feature. I'm demonstrating this on Apple Watch Ultra 2, but this works on all the Apple Watch models from Series 2 onwards and the latest watch available as of creating this video. So let's learn how to enable water lock. On watchOS 10 or later, press the side button below the crown to open Control Center. Here scroll down, find the water droplet icon. That's the water lock. If it's not there, at the bottom, tap Edit. Here you will find the water lock icon. Tap on it and then Done. Tap the water droplet icon. Now once you tap the drop icon, you will see a blue droplet at the top indicating it's on. With water lock on, I'm gently dipping my Apple Watch Ultra 2 into this bowl of fresh water. This stimulates what happens after a swim or a rinse. I will keep it in for 20 to 30 seconds. Let's take the watch out of the water and eject the water. For that, press and hold the crown until the screen says unlocked and you hear the tones that push water out of the speaker. You will notice tiny water droplets coming out. That's normal. Let it finish. It only takes a few seconds. You can repeat this process until water droplets stop coming out of the watch. Once done, gently pat the outside of the watch and band dry. Don't jam anything into the speaker or microphone ports. In case you accidentally forget to turn on water lock before a swim, no problem. Enable it after, then turn the crown to eject. And that's it. This is how you can eject water from the Apple Watch. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.